Hydroponics. Can environment affect plant growth? Research question. The research question proposed for this project was whether growth environment had an effect on plant growth. Research hypothesis. I hypothesized that the plants would have differing growth rates. I also hypothesized that out of the two plants, the plant grown inside my greenhouse would grow faster and healthier than the plant grown inside my home. Materials. 2 water bottles, 6 cups of planter soil, 2 pole beans, water, 2 paper towels, clay pebbles, and 1 cotton wick. Procedures. For this experiment, I grew 1 plant indoors and the other plant in my greenhouse for a period of 20 days. Both plants were sat in a place that received at least 8 hours of sun a day. I watered each plant regularly, both with the same amount of water. I measured the growth of each plant daily. After 20 days, I found out which plant grew the most. Results. After 20 days, the plant grown indoors grew 4 centimeters. The plant grown inside the greenhouse, however, grew to be 8.5 centimeters tall. After 20 days, the plant grown in the greenhouse grew to be 4.5 centimeters taller than the plant grown indoors. This result aligns with the hypothesis. Conclusion. Because of the small scale of the experiment, a definite conclusion cannot be made. Though, due to the fact that the plant located in the greenhouse grew significantly larger, it can be concluded that the environment may have had an effect on the growth rate of the plant.